Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man Smooth Marky. In today's video I'm showing you guys this absolutely amazing Minecraft Park Edition add-on. It's actually going to allow me to head to the soccer dimension. If you guys actually want to go ahead and head to the soccer dimension for yourself, the name of the add-on is the Minecraft Park Edition Soccer/Football Dimension add-on. Wow, that was a long name, guys. But everything you guys are going to need to head to this dimension is in my inventory. So what you guys are going to need first, you're going to need white wool. And what you're going to do with your white wool is you're just going to want to go ahead and place down 2 of them. Then you're going to place black wool on each side of the white wool. And then you just want to go ahead, after you make this, guys, you just want to go ahead, jump up on this, and put 3 white wool. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1 black wool on top, and boom. And then you probably want to look around, make sure that you don't see no soccer player hero burns. Wow, soccer player hero burns right here, right now. He would kick that sheep's butt so far up into the air, it would be crazy. He would be a moon sheep. That's what he would be, guys. But what you want to do on this side is just the same thing. 3 white wool, and then 2 white wool in the middle, and then 1 black wool on the side, and boom. You are finished. Now you can jump on down and take a look at your amazing, beautiful, glorious frame. But now it's time to go ahead and light this baby up. Boom. Wow, that looks absolutely gorgeous, guys. But let's go ahead and head on in. But first I gotta grab my eggs. Now let's go. Whee! Oh my god, I jumped straight through. Maybe it wasn't such a good idea for him to grab my lucky eggs. Ooh, I tried to hit him, but I didn't, guys. Wow, hopefully I do better on the soccer field. Whoa, that little quick, guys, and oh my god. There's a lot of soccer players out there on the field. Like a whole lot of soccer players, guys. And oh my god, is there a battle on the field? Oh, I did not mean to hit that soccer player in the head. I'm so sorry, sir. But wow, oh my god, right here's the goalie. He's my favorite player, guys. Let me go ahead and see if I can get one of these past him. Oh my god, he blocked it. Whoa, let's go ahead and try to get another one. Oh, I think that one went past him. Ooh, that one went right over his back into the goal. Wow, guys, I'm just like killing it, guys. Let's go ahead and try to make one from her. Oh, I think that one made it in, guys. Ooh, wow, I'm just too good. Ooh, one of those I think didn't make it in, but one of them I think did make it in, guys. But oh my god, there's a little baby soccer player out here. That's pretty crazy, guys. But it's kind of smart because nobody will be able to see him when he has the soccer ball, and he also moves a lot faster than the taller guys. But let's go ahead and head on down here and see if we can see the goalie. What? Is there no goalie down here? What the heck? Oh no, right there's the goalie. He's stuck. He's stuck. Oh, he just dropped. Wow, let me go ahead and spawn the villager. That way there's 2 goalie. Let's go ahead and see if they can block me. Come on, you all want some? Boom! Wow, guys, this is just way too easy. I'm going to go ahead and back up and try to do this. Come on, villager, at least move, at least try to block it. Whoa, I just went right over it. Maybe if I was playing real football, that would have been good. But that's not good in soccer, guys. Not at all. But these guys are pretty good soccer players. Even though they didn't really block any of my shots, they were still out there. They were still standing, willing to get hit in the nuggets if that's what it took. But let's go ahead and put this TNT down, guys, because I'm going to show you what would happen if somebody was able to kick a dynamite ball into the soccer net. So let's go ahead and light this baby up. You better get out of the way. He's trying to save it, guys. He's trying to save his goal. Whoa, did you guys see that one whiz right past our head? Wow, we could have been dead back there. I just seen my life flash before my very eyes. That villager actually did die. I just hope he went to a better place, and hopefully he's playing soccer. because that's the way he would have wanted it. That is the way he would have wanted it, guys. But look at this guy trying to run faster than me. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and see if we can make this TNT like fly into the net like a soccer ball, guys. Boom! Whoa, we killed 2 of the players. But no luck. I'm trying to get it to fly into the net. I wish I had all the stuff to make a TNT cannon, because then I could do it, guys. But let's go ahead and try to do it right here. Boom! you guys see that one go flying up in the air? Like, it was a little ways off, guys, but I feel like if we would have been just a little bit closer, we could have did it. But you know what they say, when you can't blow it up, just go ahead and burn it down. Well, I guess that wasn't the best fire I've ever seen, guys. But this goalie, he should be MVP, guys. He should get like some big pig trophy or something, because he's just like one of the coolest soccer guys I've ever known, guys. Like, I would definitely want to play like that pig. Let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing soccer dimension. And also let me know how good you guys are at soccer. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also let me know what dimension you want to see me head to next. And I will definitely try to head to that dimension. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.